Ahoy fellow VTubers! So you want to do a let's play of a new and fancy game, but your PC isn't strong enough of running the game and your face tracking software at the same time, and you just don't mind that you aren't live during the let's play? No problem. Johnny Lever, that's me, has it covered. All you need is OBS, your face tracking software of your choice. I recommend VSeeFace for 3D models, a webcam, or you could do it also on your mobile phone, the game you want to play, a cutting program of your choice. I personally use Blender for this video, but you can really use any program you want. And that's the new part, a program called SplitCam. So let's get to it. At first, you adjust your camera the same way you would like you do a normal stream. Afterwards, you go to your face tracking software and close it. We don't need it at this stage. Next, go to OBS and adjust the scene that you just record your gameplay. Your overlays or your model, just the gameplay. You will add it in again later in post. Also, keep your sound. You want to record it for the video. After that, let's set up the tracking and the gameplay. If you use your phone, I congratulate you. You just saved some more system resources because you're just rendering one video during gameplay. And you can skip the next step. But if you want to use your PC for everything, start SplitCam. Add your camera as a new layer and start recording your face. Make a sound, move your head and do something in the game so that you can synchronize everything afterwards when you do the cutting. Then enjoy a nice round of your new game. You deserve this. You're great and you will become huge in the future. I'm sure of it. So, when you finish recording, you should have two video files now. One on your PC with your gameplay and one, maybe it's on the PC with your face or on your phone. If you do it on the phone, move it to the PC. If you don't have SplitCam already open it now. If you want to create a new scene and keep your webcam feed for future reference, you can do it now. Otherwise, just click on the plus sign and choose the video of your face. Next, start your tracking program and in the camera list you should see SplitCam video driver. Select this camera. This is a virtual camera from the program SplitCam. And for the audio device, choose SplitCam audio mixer. Next, start your video in SplitCam and do a test run of the tracking just to be sure that everything works as you would expect it to do. Record your video of your model somehow with a green screen as background. And yes, you can use OBS for this. Just create a new scene with a colored background and your model in front of it. Start to record your model and start the video clip in SplitCam. Now you have to wait for the video to finish. In the meantime, you can check my other content, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. When all that is done and your video is finished, open the cutting program and create the video you like. Add again your overlays, remove the green screen and synchronize everything so that your reaction in the beginning starts with your sound and your action on screen. Cut away the part and render it. And voila, you saved yourself your resources when you needed it. If you have any further questions, write them down in the comments. I will answer them if I can, or if I missed some major points, I'll do a follow-up video. If you have a better alternative to this solution, post them too. I'm eager to know if there is some easier way to do this. But until then, until we sail again. Ihr Landratten. Hehe.